Now I am unboxing my project parts. First of all, my unboxing this. Here, the Arduino Uno board and connecting wire, and also LED and resistance, and also sample, and here the motor drive. Now unboxing again another component, the 9-volt AC adapter. Opening, the 9-volt water pump, LN298 in motor drive, the small bare board, resistance, connecting wire, LED, etc. Here Arduino Uno R3 and also temperature sensor. Now here the temperature sensor, the ground pin connected here, red and black wire and red wire, and also the middle pin is connected to the analog pin. Here the enable pin is connected to the motor drive 13 pin, digital 13 pin, and also yellow wire. The input pin is connected to 11 and 9 to the digital pin to the Arduino, and red LED and green LED also connected to the 2 and 3 are digital pin. Hello everyone, I am Mirajul. Today I am discussing one of my project, cutting fluid supply to the cutting zone whenever the temperature is raised above the critical value. Here we can clearly see the temperature sensor LM35 and also Arduino Uno R3 and green LED and red LED with 330 ohm resistance, and the main parts was motor drive. Here we can use LM293D motor drive and also the 9-volt water pump. First of all, we can see the coding. Here the coding says when the temperature below 40 degrees Celsius, the digital light 2 means red LED is low and digital light 3 means green LED is high when the temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius. Then the motor is not running at this condition. And again, when the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius, the green LED is low and the red LED is glowing at a high position, and the motor is at a position running. After uploading the program in my Arduino, you can see at a initial position when the temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius, the green LED is glowing. At this position, the motor is not running. Now, at a time, we raise the temperature by a lighter. After rise above the 40 degrees Celsius, we can clearly see the green LED the green LED is not glowing. At a time the red LED is now glowing, and here the motor also running and motor flowing the water, and it's fully work fine. We can clearly see. Now when the temperature below 40 degrees Celsius, automatically green LED is glowing and motor at a time not running. So we finish our project finally, and thank you.